Hello, welcome to Lifeline Comfort.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Adejoh Comfort. This channel is designed to equip, inspire, empower, and motivate you to awaken the giant within you. You will be propelled in 3 key areas: in your faith, family, and finance. Lifeline with Comfort. Awaken the giant within you.
Well, today I want to do something. I want to unbox the Scottish free box that they give everybody that lives in Scotland. On Lifeline, there's something you need to know. Lifeline with Comfort is a program designed to equip, inspire, empower, motivate you to awaken the giant in you. And we want to do it in 3 key ways: your faith, your family, and your finances. On today's episode, this is family life we're talking about. But I'm going to show you everything in the box. It may encourage some of you to relocate to Scotland. But happy viewing, happy viewing. I'm going to show you. You're going to see everything inside. This is me getting ready. I was getting ready for my princess at the time. And so you are helping me to unbox the Scottish. It's free, you can imagine. I have a friend that used to say, free is better than cheap, isn't it? And when I talk of your personal finance, I talk about that also. So is the camera on the box? Is it? Is the camera on? Now, do you know the amazing thing about this? You know the amazing thing? Actually, there's somebody behind the camera. His name is my husband. Great. Can you see properly now? Can you? Good. Now, you can even write the name of your baby and the date of birth on it. Isn't it amazing? And there's something to even color and play with. You know me, I have 3 champions. So they might want to color and play with all of this. Snake and ladder and all of that. It's really nice. So it's the Scottish government that has given it to us. And it's really nice. I'll take this box, these things out. And I'm going to show you everything that is in there. There's a digital bath and room thermometer. This is amazing, honestly. It doesn't happen in England, if that's what you're asking. No, it doesn't happen in England. Okay? Ultra slim breast pad. Wow, this is so good. 24 of them. It's very, very useful. I normally don't used to know what to do with this, but they call it muslin square, I think. And we have 3 of it, and we're grateful for it. Maternity pads. If you want to know, 12 maternity pads. There is, this is the, what's it again? Daddy, what's this? What is this again? The mat, changing mat, yes. In here, we have a beep. Amazing, all of these things are amazing. I'm going to set up everything. I'm still going to go to IKEA to get some other things, but this is me. 2 pairs of socks I'm seeing here. Amazing, isn't it? A sponge. I love this so much. Can you see? I think this is a 0 to 3 months. I've been waiting for this actually, because I told myself I'm not going to buy it. And we have one of those here. I think there are other ones. And having a baby this season, you need something as beautiful as this. I love this so much. And sleep suits. Then we have this for the baby. I don't know what this is for. I'm a local African woman. I don't know. So we have that. We have the digital thermometer. This is amazing. Do you know, the truth is there are some things I don't like buying, and I'm glad that I live in Scotland and the government gives it to me. So shout out to the Scottish government. And of course, meetings very important. I was actually waiting. I don't buy meetings too, although my first 2 children excuse me, I didn't get this, so I had to buy for them, but I don't buy it now. And I have something very easygoing, like call it trousers or easy wears. We also have another of this. Is amazing, isn't it? And then some of the things I really like about this is the quality is amazing. If that's what you're asking, the quality, it's not a terrible quality. It's very good, isn't it? Very good. So as long as your child is at least 4.5 kg, you can fit into this, isn't it? Then we have the sleep suits, the bigger one for older age. Let me say, I think this is 3 to 6 months, if I'm not mistaken. The idea is to give your child a great start. That's the idea. And let me tell you something you need to know. The interesting thing about life is everybody loves or wants a level of support. And to see that the government of a nation is supporting, it's amazing, isn't it? Pray for the peace of the nation. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Therein your peace lies. I think that if you are Scottish or you're on this channel just now, you can help me thank God for Scottish government, isn't it? Because the Bible recommends we pray for them. This is amazing. I love this color yellow because it's gonna suit my baby. And then we have Peekaboo Baby Amazing book. Now, so this is at least you can read it for your baby. And can I say something? The heart of a child is a blank. I hope you're seeing all of these things. I hope I wasn't too far. Okay, it's a blank check, and anything you write on it stays on it. And so you read this for them, but that's a habit my husband and I had, and we read scriptures. We don't only read scriptures. I have some videos on there that talks about God's promises for our family and all that. So you can go to my playlist and have a look. But I'll put the link up for you to click. God's promises. You can play it when the children are sleeping, and they can, listen to it. Good. Sleep tight, very hungry caterpillar. And of course, these are bedtime stories that are very important to read for kids, but I end their day with scriptures also, so please add that. When you're out and about, you have this so that you can read for your baby. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. Good. I'm sitting properly now. Now, when I was a child, my mother, my sisters, everyone in the family that put me on their back, they use wrapper. In the abroad, we have something like that that you can use, and it's used to wrap your baby nicely. In the hospital, they will show you how to do it most of the time. Okay, so they gave us also a voucher. This voucher for reusable nappies and could be changed every time. This is amazing. So you send it off and you will get nappies. They say choose reusable nappies. Choosing reusable nappies can save you up to £750 per baby compared to the cost of disposable ones. So again, it might be an option for somebody, isn't it? But I would definitely, I talk of savings and personal finances, and the truth is, in as much as you want to have the best things and the branded things and all that, I recommend most of the time. This is my 4th child. So I think you should take my advice on anything when I'm talking about savings, not spending too much because you're having babies, isn't it? You can recycle some things. There are some things here. My baby girl, Neraya. In fact, can I show you guys something? This shoe was used by my 1st child, and my 4th child is going to use it. And I only got it £19 at, I think it was Zara, and all of my kids have worn this shoe, and I'm so proud to say it. Oh yes, I'm so proud to say it. There are things you can keep and use. I have a couple of things like that also. I start the kids with Pampers deliberately because of the skin. It's a product I've tested and all. Okay, so they also gave us a towel, a beautiful towel. Now, this is one thing I like because of our weather. In Scotland, we have a very wonderful weather. So we have this sweater, I'll call it, or sweatshirt. They also gave us, Nigerian people call it wrapper. but they gave us one of that. And this is for, okay, I think I should go with the inner wears. The short sleeves inner wear too. They gave us one of this. Sleeve, yeah, another one. So I think the long hand ones are about 4 of them, if I understand well. 4 of them, yes. And then this, they made sure, well, I really don't know what this is. My husband is not here right now. I should have asked him, I mean. But they gave us this too. So whatever it is, please put the comment if you know. And this is of course a pacifier for children, isn't it? And they gave this to us when they start eating. It's very important. Oh my goodness, what's this? No way. They didn't give it in the previous one. I need to open this, please, bear with me. Oh my God, I love this for baby to play on downstairs. Amazing. Did they give us in the previous one? I can't remember, but this is so good. Thank you to the Scottish government. Now, the last but not the least, okay, let me make you laugh. So they actually gave us condoms too. I'm sure for somebody like me, the Scottish government is going to write me a letter and say, it is okay, it is finished. Your master Jesus said it on the cross, it is finished. So they gave us condom. And truly it is finished. Okay. And then there's important information enclosed here. All this is for us to have a wee look, isn't it? Can I read? Welcome, wee one. This is a letter to my baby. I'm going to read it to you. Okay, I'm not going to read it now, but it's a poem by Jackie Kay. I'm sure it's a Scottish poet. And then everything in your Scottish bag, they have told us, listed it here. Okay, 38 items. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. 38 items. And just easy guide, things that could make you more comfortable. It's not for old mothers like us. And breastfeeding skills, isn't it? The last but not the least, guys. There is a mattress in the box. The idea is that you can put your baby away here to sleep, just in case you can't even afford a bed. Is this not so thoughtful? And they put the bed sheet on it. Is this not so thoughtful? That means nothing is going to be wasted. In my previous pregnancy, I didn't use it. I don't know if I'll use this box now because, of course, I have a bed. But I mean, this is amazing. This is amazing. Finally unboxed. Now, if you live in Scotland, congratulations. If you've not started having children or you have some to go. But if you don't live in Scotland, well, come. You want to know how to come to Scotland? Drop a comment and I'll let you know. I'll feed you with every information. There are various ways you can come. I'll feed you with those information. Until this time next week, I hope this has made you smile, taught you something, shown you something, giving you, I don't know, whatever. You do have a fantastic, wonderful, and if you've had your baby or you're going to have your baby soon, have a great time in the labor room. We call it favor room. Have a great time and God bless you and make his face to shine upon you. Bye-bye.